Welcome back to SU Midel. Well, thanks for tuning in. Today we've got a pair of HS8 2-inch carburetors, and these were fitted to the Jaguar XJ6 4.2 engine back in the I think 72 to 75 era. As per normal on all our restorations, has had a full service including new shafts and push to bodies, etc. The main drawback with these, well, not these carburetors, but the actual car at the time, they ran what they call an AED unit, the automatically enriching device, and it was a troublesome thing. So SU Midel back in the 80s came up with a manual choke kit for these, where we retrofitted all the choke cam and fast idle levers, very similar to what they ran on the Rover 2000 TC, and this eliminates the AED unit, which is a troublesome problem with the Jaguar back then. So you get a nice easy start, and you have full control over how the car runs with fast idle included. And the kit's available on its own if you want to retrofit the kit. It comes with all the choke cable and linkages and joining rod and everything to make it all work. But it's a great way of making cold starts reliable and work well. Thanks for watching.